CBSE 8th Maths. Hey guys, I'm Tanya. I teach CBSE 10th Maths. Check out our videos in our playlist. Alright, now let's get into the video.
So guys, let's read the question. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. Which box requires lesser amount of material to make? So guys, here there are two boxes, okay, this one and this one. So this is figure A and this is figure B. So in this both we have to find which box requires lesser amount of materials to make. So what does this mean? So let me show you a figure, okay. So this one, this cuboid, okay. So in this you guys can see, to see it clearly I just kept a paper, okay. So here you guys can see in this cuboid, to make it I want many materials, right. So I will write here cuboid, okay, cuboid. So in this cuboid, to make it I will need many materials. So not a cuboid shaped something, okay. So example for a cuboid, a mattress, or a, what can we take, a box or a matchstick box, anything, okay. So this is like that only. So to make this I will need few materials. So they are asking in these two figures which one will require less material. So here they are to make the cuboid shaped figure, okay. To make this shaped figure we have to make it by one, like we will make it from the starting to the ending. We are not going to start from between parts, right. So let me explain you TSA, okay. TSA, it's a type of formula. I will upload a separate video for TSA and CSA also. So I have already uploaded it. I will give the link in the description. So here you guys can see we have a cuboid. So here to make the cuboid shaped matchbox, I am keeping the matchbox, we'll just cover all these places. We are not going to leave any place, right, to make it. So for making, if we are covering all the places including the top and bottom, it means there is a formula, okay. TSA, that is total surface area of cuboid. So what's the full meaning of TSA? It means total surface area. So why is it total surface area? Because it's covering all the parts, that's why, okay. So what's the formula? TSA of a cuboid is 2 into, let me write it, 2 into length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. So this is a formula for TSA of a cuboid, okay. So using this formula we are going to solve this. So here what do you guys understand by the height, length, breadth? So first let me write height, okay. So length, let's take the length first, okay, because L we have it here, right. So the length is the down part, okay. So the down part is the length. So length is equal to 60 centimeter, and what is the breadth? Breadth is equal to 40 centimeter, and what's left? Only the height, am I right? So height is equal to 50 centimeter. So now what we are going to do is we are going to apply this formula. So we have 2 into LB, right? So 2 into 60 into 40, and then I'll write it down, okay, into 40 into 50 into 50 into 60. So I will write it on another paper and show you guys, okay. So now I am gonna write the same thing that we wrote there, okay. So that is 2 into length breadth, am I right? So what's the length value? So 60. So 60 into, so let me write 60 into 40 And then what do we write? 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. So this is the formula, okay. So here I didn't mention the plus sign, okay. Here I have mentioned, here I didn't mention plus. Okay, the plus is actually compulsory. So now we shall solve this. So 60 into 40, am I right? So let's write the 2 as it is. No need to change the 2, okay. So 2 into 60 into 40. So 6 4s are 24. So 2400 plus. So 5 4s are 20. So 2000 plus 6 5s are 30. So 3000. So now we are going to add this. We shall add it, okay. 2400 plus 2000 plus 3000. So 0 0 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So now we have 2 into 7400. So 7400 into 2. Am I right? So 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14. So now what do I have? 14,800 meter. So it is in meter form, am I right? Yeah, sorry, it's in centimeter form. So centimeter, let me cancel it. Centimeter square. So this is the area for the cuboid. So now we are going to be finding the area for the cube, okay. So not the area, okay, the TSA, okay, we say it as TSA. So now let me show you guys the area TSA of the cube. So now we shall write TSA of cube. So TSA of cube, okay. So the formula, the TSA of cube is 6a square. It's really important, okay. TSA of cube is 6a square. So here we have the value for 6. So what does it mean? What does the a mean? It means side, okay. So what is the side value for the cube? Let's check it out, okay. So the side value is 50 centimeter. So into 50 into 50, okay, because a square, that's why 50 into 50. So now we shall solve this. 6 into, so 5 5s are 25, am I right? So 2500. So now we shall multiply it. 2500 into 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we have 15,000 centimeter square, okay. So at last we have found the TSA of the cube too, that right, that's why I wrote centimeter square. So now we are going to see which one is having the larger area. So here we have 14,800 and here we have 15,000, am I right? So in the question they asked which box requires a lesser amount. So the larger area is cubes, TSA of cubes value, right? So what is the lesser area? Lesser TSA cuboid's value. So I'll write it at the last page, okay. Therefore cuboid requires lesser material, okay, not lesser area, it's lesser material, okay. So once more I'll explain you guys the TSA, okay. TSA means total surface area. So in any object, so if it is a cuboid or anything, if the object is covered completely, to make the cuboid, let me draw a rough cuboid, okay. So yeah, So this is the rough one, okay, so it's not proper. So to make the cuboid, as you guys can see, okay, I'll draw it once more, okay. First I am making a rectangle, okay, then again I am making a rectangle on top and I am connecting it. So to make the cuboid, what I did, I drew it completely without missing any step. I did it and I covered all the parts. You guys should know whether it's covering all the parts. So here I covered all the parts. That's why we took TSA of cube and cuboid.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.